Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so you can act immediately. Check the card's status, expiration, and available funds. If any mismatch, contact your bank now. Next, match the billing address and CVV exactly as the issuer has them on file because small differences trigger declines. Once done, retry the payment with a different browser or app session to remove cached errors, and keep the merchant receipt visible to compare codes if the gateway returns an error. You now diagnose the cause by isolating variables. Clear cache or switch to incognito to rule out session conflicts. This often fixes token or cookie issues. If that doesn't work, use a different payment method, another card, an e-wallet, or a bank transfer, to see if the problem is issuer-specific. Meanwhile, request the merchant's error code and transaction ID because that data tells your bank what failed. Make sure to record timestamps and messages for faster escalation if needed. You finish by securing authorization and confirming completion. Call your bank with the transaction ID and ask them to authorize or remove any fraud block. Banks can lift temporary holds in minutes. If the bank confirms nothing's wrong, update the payment app or request a card reissue if a fraud lock persists. Finally, ask the merchant to attempt a manual capture or place the order on hold instead. If it still fails, escalate both sides and share the same transaction details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.